Lay in vinyl panels with a 5G locking system. Start laying the panels on an even and clean surface. First, lay them forward. Lock the long side joints from above. Next, add another panel. Move the short side up to the adjacent panel, then gently lock it from above by pressing lightly with your finger. The second method is locking the joints from behind. To do this, slide the panel you want to lock under the previous panel. Then press it down and lower it carefully. Locking the short side takes a bit of practice. Move the panel up to the neighboring panel, then press along the short joint with your finger. Unlocking panels with the 5G joint is incredibly easy. You need to lift the first row of panels, then slide the joint apart on the short side. Attention, never lift the joint on the short side. That could